On this episode, Cabrio gets a little package from the motherland. What do we got? Ooh, some nice yellow letters. Oh yeah. That's gonna go real nice. To replace these 30-year-old struts and springs. Nice. So this is actually my first time working on a Mark III suspension wise, and holy shit, that took 12 seconds. 30-year-old, 100,000 miles, brand new hotness. I can't wait to see how they feel. And we are also putting in new brake rotors because these have a pretty crazy lip. Pads. I also got lower control arms. I also got inner and outer tie rod. I think that's it for the front. Oh, and I also got strut mounts, of course, for the new coilovers. But yeah, can't wait. So a quick look at the strut bushing and everything. Shout out to ECS Tuning for supplying these, as well as the coilovers. I got that from them too. Not sponsored. If you would like to sponsor me, ECS, that would be cool. Okay, quick update. SD coilovers are in. We got new brake rotors along with new pads. They're not done because we got a special shipment today that I did not expect to come. Got lower control arms, ball joints, as well as sway bar and lanes. So we're getting there.